Regina.
Hey, Shirley. What's
Hi.
up?
Do you want to try your hand at Wordle?
You're always trying to get me to play something. Right.
Grab your phone. So here's the instructions. Every day is a different word. The object of the game is to guess the 5-letter word, and you have 6 tries. Each guess has to be an actual word, and then you hit enter. After each guess, the color of the tiles will change. Green means the letter is in the word and in the correct spot. Yellow letters are in the word, just in the wrong spot, and gray means the letter is not in the word at all. Everyone plays the same word. Some days you get the Wordle quickly, other days are. You can also share how you did without giving it away. Lots of people share on social media, spawning countless memes, and some of them are really funny. What I love about the game is that my sisters, my nephew, and I share our results every day in a group chat. See? It's a great way to connect, and who doesn't love a little friendly competition?
Oh, I got it! See, it's splendid. I like that. But I don't like this game.
What?
It's a lot of work and a lot of spelling.
The first time is really hard, but
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's addictive.
No, it was fun. I like that.
Please tell me you're gonna play again.
I'm going to play again.
Can you guess what 5-letter word that makes me?
No.
If you play again. H-A-P-P-Y. Hi, I'm Shirley Men.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.